Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to buy Monopoly Go stickers. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your browser and then on the search bar simply type in buy Monopoly. So what you need to do is on your search bar type in buymonopolygostickers.com and then tap on go. And once you do that, you'll be seeing something like this on your screen. Now here what you need to do is scroll down and then choose browse between all the stickers that are available, and then all you gotta do is select the one that you like and then simply tap on this add to cart option. Now let me just select this add to cart, and then all you got to do is tap on this button and here scroll down, fill up this information that is required, and then all you got to do is click on continue to checkout, and that's basically how to buy Monopoly Go stickers. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.